A very warm welcome, and once again we have another delightful low mileage motor vehicle. This is a 2015 Honda CR-V petrol automatic four-wheel drive with 18,000 miles. You heard it right, 18,000 miles. And the bonus on this car, apart from what I've just mentioned, is that it's been sold with a private plate included. We've purchased the car from the owner, who's now decided to cease driving, so no longer requires the number plate. Now the new owner can keep it on the plate or can retain the plate and retain their rights to the plate, meaning that they can offer the plate for general sale. And I don't know what, £300, £500, £600, £700 it's probably worth. A minimum of 300 and maximum of, I don't know, £2,000, £3,000, depending on the initials of the person that may be looking at it. But you would then have the car on a 15 registered plate. It's been serviced 4 times by Honda, and it has one more free Honda service to take. So a very useful addition to anyone who may be considering this vehicle. It's in exceptional condition, finished in white with a reverse camera, front and rear parking sensors, alloy wheels, very smooth, very comfortable drive, fully tailored and contoured Honda over carpets inside the vehicle. It's not been smoked inside, and it's never carried animals or pets of any sort. There are no smells inside this vehicle. Matching tyres, Continental, all in great condition. Wheels are in great condition also. And as I said, it is a four-wheel drive, so a beautiful car, folding heated electric door mirrors, lots of nice touches. This pearlescent paintwork, very, very nice indeed. It does have a spare wheel. We are open 7 days a week. We just ask that you telephone before you travel to make sure that we haven't sold the vehicle. It's available with free UK delivery, finance and part exchange. We can value a part exchange without seeing it, and you can apply online for finance as well. So an altogether all-round package. There is the spare wheel. Locking wheel nut is inside the tool bag. Retractable blind. Handles there for the folding of the seats on both sides. Storage. Plenty of height, and I'll just show you the lens of the camera. It has got a reverse camera. There is the lens of the camera. So it's currently being sold on B7WGH. I've explained to you at the beginning of the video how you would either keep the number plate on the car or retain it. There is an £80 fee to retain it, but I'm sure you'll get more of that back for it when you sold the car. Listed the number plate, sorry. 4 electric windows. Cavernous amount of space between the seats and the passengers in the rear. A lovely car, armrest. It will sit comfortably 3 people in the rear. Just going to hop in and show you the car inside. Straighten the wheels. Well, it's just a beautiful car with just 18,000 miles and four Honda services. So, you know, it's been very well serviced. It has a host of nice standard features. There are your electric folding and heated mirrors. Just show you those. Very, very nice. Eco button for extra economy. Parking sensors. Adjustable headlights. Downhill assist. Traction control. Cruise control. Bluetooth telephone. Menu button, auto lights, auto wipers, paddle shifters if you wish to go in the manual mode. Now I suggest the manual mode is a good option when you're, you know, basically in your conditions, or in wet conditions, or going down a steep bank. You can switch it from automatic to manual, and that just gives you more engine stability and braking. So there's your gear shifter, there's reverse. Automatically puts the camera on, as you can see. There you go, the radio's DAB as well. Shift it into drive, and you would drive the car ordinarily in automatic. Goes through the gears. I think there are 6 gears in there. Sport just keeps it out of the top range of gears to give you extra acceleration if you need it, and you use your paddle shifters for a manual operation of the gearbox. Now if you wish to get it back into automatic mode, you just press and hold the plus here just for about 3 or 4 seconds and it automatically switches back into fully automatic. So a really nice car, a quite superb car to be honest, and a lighter coloured headlining, which is nice. We've been established for 23.5 years and we have 5-star reviews on Facebook and Google. Please do read through the reviews. My name is David Bilsborough, I'm the business owner, and we've been established, as I've just said, 23.5 years, and we're rightly so proud of that longevity, and also the customers that we supply and help. We do buy cars for cash, so if you're part exchanging something somewhere else and you're not getting a very good deal, then please do feel free to ring me on 01270 213 811 or directly on 07774 464 368. Just back to the car, you've got USB and AUX ports inside the centre armrest. You've got a very useful and large door, front dashboard storage, climate control. I've just put the air conditioning on because it's quite hot. 21 degrees actually now. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Going from about 10 degrees, and we actually had the heating on last week at home, which was rather strange in June. Just go back out and give you one final look over the car. There you go, that's the vehicle. 2015 Honda CR-V petrol automatic with just 18,000 miles and fully serviced by Honda on 4 occasions.